nothing I can do to stop this, no.
Laro.
Cause either way you're gonna go. Let me look you in your eyes for the very, very last time. Before we leave us behind. Cause we gave it all, it wasn't enough. We said I love yous, but it wasn't love. Now you're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be someone new. You're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be someone new.
We're going to separate vlog now, but it's currently around 2:30 AM right now, and even up until this point of my life. By the way, I'm gonna get ready kasi we're about to leave this house. So there, as I was saying, even up until this point, I still can't believe na we're actually leaving this town that I grew up in. Like real na ito ko lumaki ganun. So yung feeling ko, masyado pa maaga para mag-drama-drama. Pero yun nga, real na hindi ko pa rin na-imagine na ito pala to, o baka hindi lang talaga siya nagsisimpan. Siguro mamaya kapag magpa-parties na talaga kami with my relatives and my friends. So yeah, I keep on repeating na hindi pa rin ako mapaniwala up until this moment na nangyayari pala to. Actually, overwhelming to, but last time, sabi ko sa praise ko together with Kim and Sai. Hindi ko naman na-include ko naman yung clip na yun. This may be overwhelming, but I know for a fact that it's a blessing. Thankful pa rin ako kasi kahit overwhelming yung process, ganyan, yung buong idea of this huge transition of my life. But still, sobrang huge blessing for us. So, yun. I'm just gonna, look on the brighter side of this without forgetting the overwhelming part or the, may pagtulog hindi ko nagawa sa last na tulog hindi ko nagawa kasi nung ako nagtawag na tulog. Ayun, sige go. Bye.
How many burgers and fries did we eat on takeaway nights? How many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world? How many times did we say we'll forever be this way? How many
Kaya yung mga nag-alay. Eto nakita ko na to. Kala ko nga nakita niya ako, tutulungan niya ako magbitbit. Yung may skolyo pa Ito ang hinahanap ko kasi kahit gagano na si mabitbit, wala talaga. Eto buti na lang. Nakauwi lang na ito,
Mali umihit mo ang masadjoy rin yan.
Medyo lag mo. Ito din kakauwi lang. Ito mga warriors yan.
I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you're cleaning out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore.
Hi guys, life update. We're close to mag-check-in na kami, pero before anything else, as a cloud chasers, we're just gonna film a TikTok video. One step forward, and 3 steps back. Ayan ba walang tao?
Yan, nandiyan yung taxi Bye, Windsor.
Wala kayo, wala. Papatulong pa nga ako sa inyo maglabas sa maleta.
Hey, perfect. We will miss you.
Hello everyone. I miss you guys too.
The sky is changing from indigo into blue, and I am changing too. For the first and the last time, the earth is trembling, and I am trembling too. It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was. As it always was. There's a wildfire behind me, an orchard ahead. Will you come with me and taste all of it? We'll turn into magpies and fly on a fiery wing above it all. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll dance for forever and slowly disappear into it all. Into it all, as it is. Into it all, into it all.
Hey guys, update. It's currently 7:16. Currently here sa line for check-in, and ang dami na nangyari. We said our goodbyes and we exchange hugs and all with my friends and my relatives. Pero hindi ko nabigay yung letter. Pero yeah, nasa line kami with special assistance because I'm traveling with my mom na senior na, tapos ate ko, PWD. Tapos, buti na nakita ko yung special assistance na screen kasi nandyan kami, nasa likod kami, as in ang haba ng line na yan. Tapos naalala ko, nga pala yung ticket namin, naka-indicate doon na I'm traveling with people na need na special assistance. So, yeah, this will save us time and I'm just gonna update you later if nasa ibang part na kami ng process kasi I'm trying to really focus sa mga process kasi ako yung pinaka inaasahan nila ate kasi nga, yun nga, considering the situation. So, yeah, let's just get through this. Let's go.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year moved back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you are.
Anyway, just an update. We're currently here sa may Tokyo, Narita, Terminal 1, I believe, and we're just waiting for our next flight, connecting flight to Calgary. And from there, it's gonna be a 16-hour flight, I guess, I believe. So, and for 30 na, mga 6 kami mag-aano, and I'm planning or I'm suggesting kaya mama na kumain kami anin. I kinda sound so low, my voice sounds so low, or feeling ko sa ears ko lang kasi hindi po siya nagpa-pop. Pero by the way, this gum that I'm having right now, binigay lang siya ng katabi ko kasi nakita yung nagagano'n ako. But I guess that's it for now. Wala na ako masyadong energy mag-update kasi I feel like this is gonna be a long vlog. Mas long pa sa mga vlog ko na flight, and kasing long ng mga flights namin. So yeah, but so far so good kasi ano, from Philippine naman na terminal is na nag-guide kami kasi may special assistance. Kanina, sinabihan ka?
Oo. Sabi ko, hindi, pag Pinay lang ba?
Ako rin, naka-wheelchair daw ako, di ba?
Sabi ko, gusto ko kasi po mag-wheelchair eh.
Pero yung sa akin nga, sabi nung FA kanina, sa counter, sabi niya, i-remove na lang po namin yung wheelchair mo daw. Tapos sa akin.
Yun nga din sa lalaki, tinanong
tatlo
ako
kasi
sa
tayo
lalaki. Sabi sa akin ng lalaki, ikaw ba yung PWD? Sabi ko, opo. Sabi ko, wheelchair din po. Ay, hindi po, hindi naman po kayo.
Sa akin okay lang kasi senior, di ba?
Sabi sa akin, hindi naman daw ako pilay.
Magugulat yung mga tao kung ba't
Kaya nga sabi niya, sir, remove ko na lang po yung yung wheelchair nyo ni Ma'am Abby.
kasi tatlo.
Kasi tatlo.
Sabi niya kaya sa akin, hindi kayo naman po pilay. Sabi ko, okay. Kala ko kasi naka-wheelchair din ako. Opo na talaga ako doon.
Ayun yung nangyari guys kanina, diba? Unang check-in namin. Pumila kami dun. Actually, long line talaga yun. Tapos nakita ko lang yung monitor na may line for special assistance. Tapos na-remind ako na, oo nga pala, na-remind ako ni ate na si mama. Ang alam ko lang talaga si mama may wheelchair. So yun, sabi ko, hindi ba dapat kami pumila? Nagtanong ako doon sa mga parang health pro yung nakandito sila. Tapos from then on nga, as what I have mentioned, ayun, may assistance na. So parang naka-express aid kami. And iba talaga yung past na namin. Which I'm really thankful for kasi hindi ko siya alam i-figure out na ako lang isa. Tapos i-help ko sila dahil gagawin ko sila mama. Because this is actually my first time flying international. First time is international. So yeah, thanks God talaga. Dito siya. 31, hindi siya. Ito siya, nasa window siya. Nasa window siya. We got window seats. Let's go. Oo, dun ako. Yay. Thank you so much. We got some window seats. I love Calgary. Calgary. I'm so happy. Kanina kasi wala kami sa window seat, kaya dun wala akong masyadong video. Nasa dulong seat kami, tapos parang di ko rescue. Pero nasa window seat ako. Ba't ko pala bagay ba sa akin FA? Mabuhay.
Isa pa.
Hey guys, live update. Touchdown. Nasa Canada na kami. Yes, ma'am. Nasa Calgary kami right now and we're approaching this lane na nandun yung gate namin for pa Edmonton. And then, actually maaga kami, like 7 hours kami kasi 9 PM pa yung flight namin. So, we still have ample of time na pwede kami kumain and all. Kasi naggutom na rin kami, I believe. Pero so far, itong landing lang nagkaroon ng hindi smooth na pero kanina, yun nga, laging may nag-guide sa amin ngayon. Okay naman kasi malinaw yung instruction. Pero it's way better pa rin kapag may officer na kasama kami. But anyway, maghanap po na kami ng kakainan. Ay nahanapin muna namin yung gate namin. So, we're having this beef ramen soup from Ito, Japan.
Grabe, pambukas na to.
Ang cute ng packaging. Parang siyang lunchbox. Yan! Ngayon lang tayo nakaano ng mainit. Ito yung first meal namin na mainit. Mainit naman yung mga siniserve, pero yung may soup. So yummy. And by the way, yung nag-take pala ng order ko, or namin, is Pinay sa atin. Nice nga yun. Taga-LU daw siya. Tapos tinanong lang ko sa tayo. Mga Pinay yun nasa counter. Okay. Here sa may Calgary and our flight is around 8 PM. So we're just waiting here sa may gate namin. And by the way, after namin pala mag-merienda kanina, nag-CR na ako napag-hilamos. Ay, hindi ako nakapag-hilamos but nakapag-brush na ako and nakausap ko si EJ at si Benz. So yun lang naman yung nangyari so far. And I can't wait to meet my relatives there, my sisters, my nephew, and my niece. So yeah, I'm so tired of
Kasi kasi hindi ako nakatulog sa aeroplano. Ano lang, idlip-idlip lang. Sana madaming choices yung films. Kanina onti lang. Edmonton and then just to share pagod na Jesus but just to share ano ito pa ulit sa Pilipinas and si Sai hindi ko pa alam pero alam ko na message ko na pero hindi pa mo sa ito pero nag-disbelieve ako last weekend and wala si Pilipinas sa ito hindi ko kapagod eh pero ang kulit mo nangyari kasi parang sa mga natin naman ako ng pa-uwi kasi kung sila nag-stop sa may kanto naman ang dami ko sinabi na gusto namang i-share na kakay ko lang yung pabao ni Kim and what's up din nasa Edmonton na ako na sila kayo
Zone 3? Zone 3?
Anong feeling naman? Makikita mo na yung dalawa mong Hindi na ito nakakatulog sa atin. Let's go. Galing ko, diba? Sakto sa shop. Dito na kay mama ko. Abangan mo si Slim. Guys, so live update. Ayan, so far, isa na lang yung take kong luggage. Yung akin na lang. Yung akin pa ang nahuli. But anyway, nandyan na yung mga kapatid ko, yung pamangkin ko. Ang saya. Pero ang sakit pa rin yung tiyan ko. Sa buong flight na to, masakit yung tiyan ko. Hindi siya nakaka-sleep. Tama ba yun? Gusto naman!
What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made? Looking for a shadow in the dark. What happens if I look through you with a compass in my intentions and find you both in someone else's heart?
Kunwari dito scripted. 1, 2. Kunwari excited tayo. I-push mo, ano mo,
Sleeping on your bedroom floor.
ano mo, ipit mo, Abby.
Hindi ko makaya, bigat.
I let my feelings wash
Wala, ang cute
ashore.
naman nun. Kala mo po eh.
You told me you're projecting. I don't move with much direction anymore. Don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I can. Soon I wanna pinky swear.
It's around 2:30ish p.m. right now here in our place, and I look so shit. But what I'm gonna do now is naglalag na siya. Ililipat ko yung mga files ko nandun sa ito. Wait, show you. Itong bag na to. Yung bag ko dito, and basta yung mga things ko so far. And by the way, you guys, nawawala yung luggage kung isa, yung main luggage ko na malaki, nawala siya. Pero ihahatid naman daw, i-deliver siya, or we're just gonna pick it up later. Hindi ko alam kung isasabay siya kasi alis din daw ulit ngayon. May bibili ko ng ibang mga gamit and all. Pero after namin ng airport, ang dami na rin nangyari. Pinick up din kami, tapos bumili kami somewhere, tapos nag-park na kami, nag-lunch of course after this, nakapag-move in na kami, in which hindi ko na napakita sa inyo pag ng grocery and all, kasi napapagod na rin talaga ako, nahihilo na ako. Pero yun, naayusin ko na muna yung mga gamit ko, and then I'm just gonna take a shower kasi lalabas nga kami ulit. So, and if you reach this point of my life, even up until this moment, I can't believe it's happening. But yeah, as what I have mentioned on the start of the video, it may seem overwhelming, but I would take this as a blessing. This is a huge blessing for us, and I wanna thank the Lord and everything, especially my sisters here. So yeah, I'll see you guys more on my next videos. Sana ma-edit ko nito within this week. Kaya ba today? Kaya ba this week? Let's go. Let's see. Bye. So, my luggage came in. So, let's go. Try na, check natin kung kompleto ba ang gamit ko. Dito naman siya. Grabe, ang dami yung gastos.
Siguro kapag balik-balik mo ka.
Kapag lipat na kayo, ako maglilipat ako.
Hi, so if you reach this part, I just want to say thank you so much for your company. It's been a week since I moved out of my hometown. I'm currently living here in a new place. And yeah, I keep on saying I cannot believe this is happening, but I know for a fact that change might be scary and it is uncomfortable, but I also know that being in an uncomfortable situation makes me elevate in life because there is something happening in me, and I want to remind myself to fully embrace new beginnings.
Now you're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be someone you knew. You're gonna meet somebody new, and I'm gonna be